Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, sir.
Are you fine, everyone? D. Narendra, Pravalika, Yamsari, Manjula, Sushmita, Sangeeta, Harshavarth, Harish Reddy. Yamsari. Students, are you writing homework or not? Students, write everyone homework notebooks. Write exercise problems only. So after completion of 14 chapters homework, so you have to start that generating problems also. Own creation problems, generating problems. So if you complete exercise problems homework, then you will get 2.5 mark only. 2.5 marks only. Then for written work, for again, if you want to get again 2.5, so you need to complete do this, try this, think and discuss items from the all chapters. So put a separate notebook and write all the do this, try this, think and discuss problems in a separate notebook. So you will get 2.5 for homework problems. Again 2.5 for do this, try this, think and discuss. So combining this total complete work is called a written work of mathematics syllabus. Then again 5 marks, total 5 marks will be there. So first 5 mark it is own creation of problems. You have to write 5 problems from each chapter, write in separate notebook. That is generating problems. So you have to select one problem for one topic in a chapter and write a total 5 problems from each chapter. Then 14 chapters are there. So then 14 5 are 70 problems. You have to write 70 new problems. So don't copy from textbook or the material or any other material, any other textbooks. So take that help of internet. So you will get new problems, generating problems in the net. So write that 5 problems from each chapter and write total 70 problems. Then after that you will get 5 more marks. Then third 5 marks for project work. So 5 marks for project work. So project work also. So we have to do total 4 project works. 2 project works from paper 1, 2 more from paper 2. Then last 5 marks you will get by slip test, writing 4 slip tests. So I will give that question papers for slip tests. So it is last work. So that slip tests. So put a A4 size notebook for project work and slip test. Then 2 more notebooks for, one is for generating problems, one is for written work. For written work, one is not sufficient, at least 5 6 are needed. Okay, students, let us start our syllabus.
Sir, generating problems అందరి same ఉండొద్దా?
Same ఉండొద్దమ్మా. Don't copy from anybody's. So you have to create 5 more problems from each topic. ఒక టాపిక్ లో 5 టాపిక్స్ ఉన్నాయంటే ఒక్కొక్క టాపిక్ నుంచి ఒక్కొక్క ప్రాబ్లం చొప్పున ఆ చాప్టర్ లో నుంచి 5 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ రాయాలి. అవే జనరేటింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. సో దానికోసం మీరు ఏది ఇంటర్నెట్ యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. లేదంటే అదర్ స్టేట్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. కర్ణాటక ఆర్ తమిళనాడు ఆర్ ఎనీ కేరళ వాళ్ళ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్, మ్యాథ్స్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ తీసుకొని టాపిక్స్ ఏమే ఉంటాయి ఆ టాపిక్స్ నుంచి మీరు 5 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసి రాసి ఉంటుంది, వాటి చూసుకుంటూ రాదు. So students, yesterday I told that section formula. If a line segment AB is joined by A y1, B x2 y2, dividing the head of P point. Here they took R x comma y in the ratio m1 is to m2. Then that dividing point coordinates are, so R x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This section is known as section formula. So by knowing this section formula, you will get answer. So direct question. So remember this. Write Pravalika, write this section formula here.
Sir,
Section formula.
huh?
Screen pine section formula. Screen pine formula write.
ఏది సార్?
స్క్రీన్ పైన ఏం కాదు, ఒక పెన్సిల్ తీసుకో.
సార్ ఏ ఫార్ములా వినబడలేదు సరిగా.
Otherwise see there down side. Section do you know section formula? Hello. Manjula, write section formula.
ఓకే సార్. సార్ ఇక్కడ రాయడానికి రావట్లేదు సార్.
ల్యాప్టాప్ లో వింటున్నావా మొబైల్?
ల్యాప్టాప్ సార్.
సరే సార్, చెప్పమ్మా సెక్షన్ ఫార్ములా చెప్పు.
m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2.
Okay, very good. So that is section formula. So let us do that exercise 7.2 problem. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the point -7, 4, -3 ratio 2:3. So ఇక్కడ లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ ఉంది -1, 7, 4, -3. ఈ లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ జాయిన్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ నేను ఒక డ్రా చేస్తా. వేర్ ఈస్ దట్? So this is the line segment. Let us consider it is by P according to this problem. It is P. Then it is Q. This is Q. So P -1, 7, -1, 7. Q it is 4, -3. 4, -3. So the point R is dividing. Let us consider the dividing point by R. So it is in between P and Q. This is R. Consider this R point. We don't know no coordinates. Represented by usually x comma y. So it is R. X comma y dividing the line segment PQ by 2:3 ratio. 2:3. 2:3 ratio. This is 2:3 ratio. So, by this the given information, we are going to find Rx comma y coordinates. Section formula, that section formula. So what is the formula? Rx comma y is equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. This section formula. We need to substitute these values. X y1 means -1 comma 7. -1, y1 is 7. X2 is 4, y1, y2 is -3. So we have to consider it is x1, it is y1, it is x2, it is y2. M1 is to M2. I think here 2:3 ratio is given no. So you consider it is M1, it is M2. M1 value is 2, M2 value is 3. So these are values we need to substitute in the section formula. So by that substituting, then we get an answer. This Rx comma y is equal to, this is the formula. So M1 means 2, X2 4 plus M2 3, X1 -1 by M1 plus M2 2 plus 3, comma M1 2 into Y2 -3 plus M2 3, Y1 value is 7 by M1 plus M2 means 2 plus 3. So 2 4s are 8, plus of minus 3 1s are 3, plus of minus 2 3s are 6, plus 3 1s are 21, by 2 plus 3 5, here also 5. 8 minus 3 5, 5 by 5 comma 21 minus 6 5, 15 55. So 5 we get 1, 5 1s are 5 3s are. So 1 comma. But dividing point coordinates are 1 comma 3. So this is 1 comma. It is 1, it is 3. Isn't it? Did you get this solution or not? విధి అర్థం అవుతుందా అమ్మాయి?
అవుతుంది సార్.
నెక్స్ట్ నెక్స్ట్ second problem. Find the coordinates of the point of trigon of line segment joining 4 comma -1 and -2 comma -3. So here the point of trisection. Point of trisection. It is most important concept. Trisection. So trisection means. So I will tell you about trisection. So there is a line segment. Consider it is A. This is B. AB is the line segment. AB is the line segment. So trisection is if AB need to divide into 3 equal parts. So 2 points are needed here. So how to divide the AB line segment into 3 equal parts. Trisection. Tri means 3. Section means, so trisection means 3 parts. We need to divide this AB into 3 parts. For this we need 2 points, trisection points. అంటే దీన్ని 3 parts గా డివైడ్ చేయాలంటే సో మనకు ఎన్ని పాయింట్స్ హెల్ప్ అవసరం? 2 పాయింట్స్ కావాలి ఇక్కడ మధ్యలో. ఈ 2 పాయింట్స్ మాత్రమే ఏబిని 3 ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ గా డివైడ్ చేస్తారు. 3 trisection means equal parts. So let us consider the points B, the 2 points B. One is by P, second one is by Q. This is Q. So here P comma Q. P comma Q, the both points are dividing the line segment AB into 3 equal parts. So one, consider it is one part, this is one part, this is one part. So now P is dividing the AB into two parts. So by ratio divide chesadi. This is 1 east, this is 1 plus 1, 2. ఒకవేళ P పాయింట్ కావాలంటే మనకి ఏం చేయాలి రేషియో 1:2 తీసుకోవాలి వై బికాస్ హియర్ ఆఫ్టర్ P there are two equal parts are there. So 1 plus 1 2 parts, it is one part 1:2. So P divides AB into 1:2 ratio. Then as well as Q divides the AB into same 2:1 ratio 1 plus 1. So here, so it is 1, this is 1. So from here to here it is 2. So 2:1. Q divides the AB line segment into 2:1 ratio. It is 2:1 ratio. So మనం P find out చేసేటప్పుడు రేషియో 1:2 తీసుకోవాలి. Q find out చేసేటప్పుడు రేషియో 2:1 తీసుకోవాలి. Understood? What is A, B, A comma B are 2 points in the plane. So such are given as 4 comma minus 1, 4 comma minus 1, 4 comma minus 1 it is. So B is minus 2 plus 3, minus 2 comma minus 3. Minus 2 comma minus. So minus 2 comma minus 1, minus 2 comma minus 3. These 2 points are by joining these 2 points we get AB line segment. So AB line segment is dividing into 3 equal parts by the help of P comma Q points. So P comma Q points are called trisection points. To find these trisectional points, we need to take the point. Here the ratio 1:2, 1:2. So while finding the Q point, we need to take ratio 2:1. So let us find them. Okay, students. Here, consider A 4 comma minus 1, B minus 2 comma minus 3. Let P comma Q be the points of trisection of AB line segment. So how it will be there? AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. If you consider AP part be 1, so Q will be 1, QB also 1. So P divides AB internally in the ratio 1:2. So to find out that P trisection point, first we need to take 1:2 ratio. Consider 1:2 ratio by M1, M2. M1 as 1, M2 is 2. So usually we know that for section formula, that is Px comma y is equal to mx2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So here substitute all these values, known values carefully in the formula. So after that we will get 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into 4 by 1 plus 2. M1 plus 2 means 1 2 comma 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 1 by 1 plus 2. So 1 into minus 2 minus 2 for the minus 3 minus 2 by 3. Both denominators are 3. So yeah, minus 8 is 6 by 3, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 by 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are, so 2 comma minus 5 by 3. So P pointer 2 comma minus 5 by 3. This is 2 comma minus 5 by 3. So similarly, we can write Q point also. So Q points A in the ratio 2:1. So it is 2:1. While finding Q point, we need to M1 is to ratio is 2:1. It is constant there for every problem. So x is equal to formula. We need to write formula again, substituting all these values in the formula. At last, we get Qx comma y is equal to 0 comma minus 7 by 3. So answers are 2 comma minus 5 by 3, 0 minus. These 2 points are going to divide this line segment into 3 equal parts. So that is why we say P comma Q trisection point. అర్థమైంది కదా? నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం. Find the ratio in which line segment points 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. So this is third bit. ఇంకో బిట్ అక్కడేమో ఫస్ట్ స్టార్టింగ్ లో మనం పాయింట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం, ఇక్కడ రేషియోని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో విల్ షో ద రఫ్ డయాగ్రామ్. Okay, students. Find the ratio. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8. What is the line segment here? It is A point, then it is B point. Then A minus 3 comma 10, minus 3 comma 10, then second one is 6 comma minus 8. Okay, students, please adjust. Don't comment my writing. Okay. A minus 3 comma 10, B 6 comma minus 8. So now, and one more thing is minus 1 comma 6 is the dividing point. Minus 1 comma 6. It is considered by P. So P is given by minus 1 comma 6. Minus 1 comma 6. Okay, minus 1 comma 6. This is the dividing point. So one need so what is that I need to find here? So yeah, ratio, dividing ratio, that is considered by M1 is to M2. M1 is to M2. M2. That is M1 is to M2. Usually here we need to consider by 1 is to K. Either a problem lo ఏ ప్రాబ్లం రేషియో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నప్పుడు మనం 1:k నే తీసుకోవాలి. యూజువల్లీ we need to take 1:k. 1 is nothing but M1, K is nothing but M2. So let us substitute these all values, known values in the given formula. So that is M1. M1 means K is to 1 తీసుకున్నారు కదా, సో K is to 1 తీసుకోవచ్చు. So here according to the problem they took K is to K is 1. This is 1. K is to 1. Okay. So M1 means K into x2 6. So it is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. X2 is 6 plus M2 x. M2 value is K. M2 value is 1. X1 value is -3 by M1 plus M2 means K plus comma. M1 value is K, Y2 value is -8 plus M value is 1, Y1 value is 10 by K plus 1. Then we need to equate this formula. It is 6K minus K plus 1 comma minus 8K plus 10 by K plus 1. So we need to equate these coordinates. -1 is we have to equate to 6K minus 3 by K plus 1. 6 is equal to minus 8K plus 10 by K plus 1. So by solving this any one, no need to solve both, by solving any one, so we will get that ratio. So let us do cross multiplication here. So -1 of K plus 1 is equal to 6K minus 3. So -1 into K 6K plus -1 into 1 -1. So it is equal to already 8K plus 10. Here we did here this one I think. -1 of k plus 1 is equal to 6k. They did this cross multiplication. 6 into k plus 1 is equal to minus 8k plus 10. Then minus 1 into k minus k, minus 1 into 1, minus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3. And here 6 into k, 6k plus 6 1 is 6 is equal to minus 8k plus 10. Then separating the variables and constants, minus k minus 6k is equal to minus 3 plus 1. So minus 7k is equal to minus 2, k is equal to minus 2 by minus 7, 2 by 7. Here also, by solving this also, we will get same answer. That is 6k plus 8k is equal to 10 minus 6. 14k is equal to 4. K is equal to 4 by 14. So 2 2s are 2 7s are 2 by 7. That ratio is 2 by 7. Okay, students, next go for fourth problem. If 1 comma 2, 4 comma y, x comma 6, and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x comma y. Students, here 4 points are given, 4 coordinates are there. So these 4 coordinates are vertices of a parallelogram. So they mentioned, so they will form a parallelogram. So here 2 values are missed, here x and here y. So we need to find their values. So let us see here, let us find, let us draw a rough diagram. It is parallelogram. Okay, this is consider it is A, B. A, B. Then it is C. Then it is D. Okay. Next, so let us draw here diagonals also. Diagonals intersecting point. Okay. So students, here let us know what is ABCD. ABCD is a parallelogram. According to characteristics of parallelogram, so AB is equal to CD as well as AB is parallel to CD. These opposite sides, pair of opposite sides will be parallel and equal. Opposite sides parallel ఉంటాయి మరియు equal గా ఉంటాయండి. So A equal to CD, BC is equal to AD as well as AB will be parallel to CD. And AC comma BD are two diagonals. So diagonals bisecting each other. Diagonals bisecting each other. Most important concept. Diagonals bisecting each other in parallelogram. Okay, what is the bisecting meaning? So AC divides O by into two equal parts. Here also O divides BD into two equal parts. That is called bisecting. So diagonals bisecting each other. So this is concept. So by this concept we can find the missed values in the problem. So let us see here. Consider first point be A, second point be by B, third point by C, the fourth point by D. ABCD is a parallelogram here. So in parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. But the midpoint of the diagonals coincident with each other. So what is the midpoint AC? Midpoint of AC is considered by O. Then BD midpoint will be same. It will be coincident with O. So AC comma BD, both diagonals midpoint is O. Here O, that is O. So midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. So we need to find midpoint. What is the midpoint formula? Midpoint means, so I will show you midpoint is nothing but, so consider it is AB segment. So consider it is AB, AB. So midpoint, AB midpoint will be center of the line segment. Consider it is C. So this C coordinate will be, how can we find the C coordinate x comma y? X comma y. How can we find x comma y? In the section form, we need to write So M1 is to M2. M1 is to M2. So we need to take instead of M1 is to M2, 1 is to 1. 1 is to 1 is quality. 1 is to 1. AC will be same length. It will be coincident with the BC now. So nothing but M1 is to M2 ratio will be 1 is to 1. Instead of M1 is to M2, if we substitute in the section formula, so we get the formula. What is that? X plus X2 by 2, Y1 plus Y2 by 2. ఎందుకంటే C will be center of the AB. Okay. Next here midpoint BD midpoint. Midpoint formula is X1 plus X2 by 2, Y1 plus Y2 by 2. So then X1 plus 2 Y1 plus Y2 by 2. ఇక్కడ ఈ మిడ్ పాయింట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఏసీ తీసుకోవాలి, ఇక్కడ బీడీ పాయింట్స్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఏ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఏ X1 సి X2 Y2 అవుతుంది. బీడీ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు బి X1 Y1 డి X2 Y2 అవుతుంది. ఆ వాల్యూస్ అన్ని ఎందుకు సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి సో వీ నీడ్ టు ఈక్వేట్ దట్ కోఆర్డినేట్స్ 1 plus X by 2 is equal to Y2, 8 by 2 is equal to Y plus 5 by 2. Then by doing 2 cancel, 1 plus X is equal to 7, X is equal to 1 minus 1. Y plus 5 is equal to 8. So Y is equal to 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 value is 3. So 6, 3. X value is 6, Y value is 3. Sir? Sorry, bite today's class. So remaining problems we can discuss tomorrow. So as well as how to find out. So tomorrow I will explain you 7.3. If you get any doubts in 7. First of all, I will explain the problems and I will tell you 7.3 problems. Okay, students, one minute. I need to take this today's attendance. Only 22 members are there. 22 members. Okay, students, you can meet tomorrow.